504 divided by 14. I'm dividing by 14, therefore I build my 14 times table before I start my division. I start by multiplying 14 by 1, by 2, and so on. This is going to help me when it's time to divide. Let's start. 504 is my dividend, and I'm dividing by 14. I put a dash over each number in my dividend. This is going to help my answer, especially if there's a zero involved. 14 into 5. This means how many groups of 14 can I get with only 5? I cannot get any. Then I say 14 into 50. I look at my tables. Which number is closest to 50 without going over? 42. Therefore, 14 can go into 50 3 times. I put my zero placeholder and then I subtract. 4 subtract 0. I cannot take 2 from 0. I can now take 2 from 10 and I'm left with 8. Now I divide again. 14 can't go into 8, but there's a digit already above that 8. I say 14 into 84. I look at my multiplication table and I'm going to take 6. 14 into 84 is 6. And I subtract and I'm left with 0, 0. Therefore, 504 divided by 14 is 36. Remember, divide, subtract, and then divide again. And keep going until you end up with either a remainder that's less than 14 or 0, 0. Okay, now you try.